Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Deidran. No Time to Die British actress Lashana Lynch has been cast to play the role of Rita Marley in the highly anticipated Bob Marley biopic. Recently, Lynch made a post on her Instagram page of Bob Marley performing at a 1977 live concert where his wife Rita is seen dancing to his music. She also gave her fans a behind-the-scenes photo of her chair with the name Rita Marley displayed. Lynch will be working with British actor Diana Deer, who will be playing the reggae icon in the film. The yet-to-be-named biopic is scheduled for release in January 2024. Dancehall artist Skeng has been named the Jamaican Artist of the Year. Now, Audiomack last evening made the announcement via Instagram, captioning, "Audiomack presents to you Artist of the Year." Skeng was the only Jamaican featured on the list. Other artists who were given the Artist of the Year title were Nigerian artist Asake, R&B singer Raven Lene, and American rapper Yeet. Audiomack is a completely free platform which allows content creators to share their music without any limitations or restrictions, while also focusing on new independent and upcoming artists. Skeng was recently included in the streaming platform's 50 Best Album of 2022 with his debut EP, Best of the Era. Now, Smile Jamaica will be hosting its annual extended show Smile in the Yard tomorrow, and we're inviting all the Smile Jammers out. It's Nelson Mandela Park Halfway Tree. Will be open to the public from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. We're going live. The show promises to be exciting. There'll be live performances from gospel singer Rhoda Isabella, Laga Kia, Silver Bird, Steel Orchestra, and the strong one herself, Adana, while our very own DJ Deli and Jam Dynamites will keep you entertained with their musical mixes. There'll be lots of prizes and special surprises just for you, so make sure you're there. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Deidran. Thank you for watching. E-Prime.